adore you all of the time.
Today is the day. You guys remember this? This 3-inch intake that I revealed in every video that I made when Amber was off the road? It's going on the car today. You know this access port that I haven't told you guys about? Or this thick boy intercooler that I haven't told you guys about? Well, they're going on the car today. The MAZDASPEED 3 is going stage 2 as of today in this video. I also got a blow-off valve, that eBay 5050 that I got back, and we'll be putting that on temporarily just for the noises. We're going to be installing all these mods on Amber and making her fast. It's been a long time that she has been stock, and today we're changing that. I've had the car back for 2 weeks and we ain't playing anymore. Honestly, I ain't talking. Let's go ahead and pull this car apart. Something you guys don't know as of now, I have a 51R battery inside this car. It's the smaller battery from the stock battery. And then along with that, I also have a custom battery box with a ECU relocate for the 51R, which will help fit this intake a lot better without having to screw with a few things. It's really cold. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Pull apart basically the whole side of the car, make some goddamn sick.
I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to.
So this is your stock inlet pipe, and if we compare, you can see there's definitely some shit going on with Mazda's design. That's smaller than my wiener. Good talk. Okay, nothing main. Okay. Definitely some shaft play. Not horrible. Okay, so we slapped the intake in. We did it off camera in place, and it is quite tight, so hopefully we're not dealing with any leaks. I did some aftermarket hosing here and did the vacuum lines. So those are all good, which means the intake's all in place, and now I'm ready to basically put the battery box back in, and we'll be on our way with this. Slap the top mount as well with the blow-off valve, and we'll be mints. So let's go ahead and get started with kind of putting this back together, and we'll see what we can do.
Every day, I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you.
Well, that being said, she's done. Everything's installed. Now it's time to install the thick mama, the juicy juice.
The access port.
Evening. What's going on tonight? You guys are obviously together.
Yeah, we're just filming a YouTube video.
You're filming a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Just going around the block.
Yeah.
You see.
This is what you do for YouTube, folks. Real quick, were we floored?
100%, baby.
That car is dumb.
Alright, boys.
gear, nothing. 1, 2, 3, absolutely nothing. This car. Okay, so we totally meant for it to be that close, but man, my life just flashed before my eyes. That thing sounds so scary out here. Dude, it just pops. Every gear just pops.
And that is the video for today, guys. Amber, my MAZDASPEED V3, is now currently making 22 pounds of boost on its stage 2 tune. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did. That was so much fun. I mean, I drove the car for this outro was recorded like I think a week after that the video you just watched. So like it was an absolute blast. The car is super crazy right now, making 22 pounds of boost, 3-inch intake, fake blow-off valve, and it's so good feeling to have Amber back where it doesn't suck anymore, right? So I mean, it feels good. It feels good. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and turn on your post notification bell. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.